Welcome back, gardeners and food lovers. Today, we're talking about the best tasting cucumber varieties that are perfect for adding flavor to your dishes. Whether you prefer the mild sweetness of English cucumbers or the tangy twist of lemon cucumbers, we've got some delicious options to explore. English cucumbers are known for their thin skin, mild flavor, and crisp texture. They're less bitter than other varieties and have fewer seeds, making them perfect for fresh salads or sandwiches. Their refreshing taste also makes them ideal for slicing and dipping in hummus or tzatziki. Lemon cucumbers are round and yellow, with a slightly tangy, citrus-like flavor. Their thin skin is easy to eat, and they offer a refreshing crunch. These cucumbers are perfect for pickling or adding a unique twist to salads. They're also great for snacking right out of the garden. Whether you're using English cucumbers for a light summer salad or lemon cucumbers for pickling, each variety offers its own unique flavor profile. English cucumbers are perfect for dishes where you want a clean, mild taste, while lemon cucumbers add a bright, tangy element to your recipes. Both can even be used in refreshing drinks like cucumber-infused water or cocktails. With their distinct flavors and textures, English and lemon cucumbers are both delicious choices for your garden and kitchen. Stay tuned for more gardening tips and recipe ideas. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy growing and cooking.